Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And in today's video, I wanted it to be super chill. It was kind of random, but I wanted to share with you guys my kind of like go-to comfy clothes that I've been wearing so much lately. Ever since I've been on quarantine, I started purchasing more like comfy but affordable clothes, stuff that I feel like I'd be comfy in but still look cute so I didn't feel like a slob all day. So I wanted to share with you guys some of the pieces that I picked up. They're super affordable. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not the type of person that will spend $50 on sweatpants and a sweatshirt. I like things to be good quality but affordable and preferably neutral tone, so that way I just feel more polished and put together. If you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. But before you go anywhere, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload. I love you guys so much, and let's go. So this first set I have on right now, it's super baggy. I feel like a little 8-year-old boy. However, since it's neutral, I still feel put together and cute, if that makes sense. I don't know, neutral tone just make me feel some type of way. The sweater that I got, it's super comfy, super soft. I love the material. It's actually a Gildan sweater from Amazon. You know that Amazon changes their prices all the time, especially the more that people will buy a certain item. For some reason they always increase, but I got this one for 11 bucks and I got it in a size medium, so it is a little bit more fitted. I wish that I would have sized up and it would have been extra cozy, but it's still super comfortable. And these sweatpants I got from Boohoo. These are super baggy. I do have another pair of like cuter sweatpants from Boohoo that are a little bit more fitted. These, when I first got them, I hated them. Like, the material felt really weird and plasticky. They were super thin, but then the more I started wearing them, the more I started loving them. These are by no means flattering sweatpants whatsoever. These are like your loungewear, super lazy, I want to be comfortable for the day sweatpants, but they're just so roomy. And to be honest, now I like the fact that they're so thin because living in Florida, it's been a lot warmer here, so sometimes being in like a full-on sweatsuit that's super thick isn't comfy either. I look like I'm MC Hammer or something. I don't know why I've been so obsessed with mint green lately. And this one is by Hanes and I got it on Amazon. This one I got for literally like $7. But like I said, the prices can fluctuate because Amazon sellers be playing us. They're always changing the prices. If they still have this at a good price, I would definitely pick this up because this is something that I would honestly wear with like a cute pair of ripped jeans and like wear out and about. I just think it's so cute. And then also these sweatpants, these are more fitted joggers from Boohoo. They come high-waisted, so you can like hold them down if you want. You can wear them all the way up. And what I love about these is that they are super soft on the inside. My other sweatpants that I got from Boohoo were more like thin. They didn't have that fleece on the inside. This does have that, and they are just so cozy. I got these in a size 2 so that they would be more fitted. However, the more you wear them, the more they loosen up. So if you want them to stay more fitted, you can size down. But I personally like them when they get more baggy. Like, they're way more comfortable. And overall, the structure of these are a lot nicer than the last ones I showed because they do taper down at the bottom. This t-shirt is literally one of the most like perfect, just like used in, washed in t-shirts. They honestly remind me of like those Colin Terry, Yves Saint Laurent type of t-shirts, except obviously without the Yves Saint Laurent on it. But like the look of it, the wash of it, just looks so like worn in. It stays nice and cold. It's super just comfortable. And you guys will not believe where this t-shirt is from. From the Dollar Tree. I literally got this for $1. Alex and I were on the hunt for toilet paper last week and we couldn't find it anywhere. So there was a Dollar Tree right next to the Target that is near us. Luckily, the hunt for toilet paper brought me to this t-shirt. So I got this really pretty like distressed acid washed one. And then I also got this one, which I'll show you guys in a second, but it's just like a really nice gray t-shirt. This one I got in a large, so it's super long and baggy, so you could wear it full length with like leggings. I will definitely be wearing this t-shirt outside of the house with like cute ripped jeans whenever this quarantine is over. And these sweatpants I actually got last year, but they still carry some similar, but these are actually from H&M and they're from the little boys section, a size 12, 13. They do, when you first put them on, they're more fitted, but after you wear them, they do loosen up a little bit. Fit like as if they were like just women's joggers, since they are more fitted on the bottom. And what's really cool is that the H&M little boy section for sweatpants, they're always having sale, whether it's like buy two get two free, buy one get one free. All right, so this is another one of my faves. These sweatpants are the olive green H&M little boy ones that I got. I got these in a 12, 13 as well. These do feel like a little bit more fitted, but they do stretch out the more that you wear them. Top sweater is from Boohoo. Now, I love the material of this. It's super thick. I'm obsessed with the balloon sleeve and like the light marled gray color. I did get it a couple size bigger, so that's why it's even more baggy, which I like because I just love a very oversized look. However, if you do get it your size, I think that this would look so cute and like just more form-fitting, something that you could definitely wear out with jeans and stuff once this quarantine is over. I love the pocket detailing. This is definitely one of my favorite, most cozy sweatshirts. And I want to say the sweater was only like $10 or $11. So lately I have been obsessed with like graphic, oversized sweatshirts. This one I got from Pretty Little Thing. To be honest, I just like the colors. I didn't really care what it said. And I just love the tone of it because it's like a gray brown taupey color. This is definitely something that I would wear with jeans and stuff even after this whole thing is over. So I feel like I say everything is so cute and so comfortable, but they really are. And then these sweatpants, can we talk about these? So these, you guys will not believe where these are from. They're from the little boys section at Walmart. They're only $7. They have a really cool like leather detailing down here. To be honest, I feel like these look just like regular fashion wear. Like once I get back to work, I am definitely wearing these with like a cute black bodysuit. I just think it'll look so cute and comfortable, and then maybe some like cute heels. Don't sleep on Walmart. Do not sleep on Walmart. And I just wanted to quickly show you guys the other t-shirt that I got from Dollar Tree that I showed you earlier. This is how it looks. This is definitely something that, again, I can wear even after this whole thing is over with some cute crop shorts or crop jeans. I love the color of it too. Something about a super light gray mauled material just gives me life. I love the way it looks up against gold jewelry too. All right, so I wanted to share with you guys this sweatshirt that I picked up from Amazon. It was $9 and it's by the brand South Pole, which to be honest, I haven't heard anybody use South Pole since like 2005. But anyway, this is by far the most comfortable, coziest sweatshirt that I own. Like hands down, 100%. It is lined with fleece on the inside. It's super thick and cozy. And I got this. This was a men's size, I think extra large. That's why it's so baggy and big, but I love it. One of those sweatshirts that you get extra big to swim in it and you just feel like you're being hugged by a teddy bear all over. The comfiest sweatshirt is sold on Amazon for $9. And then next I want to share with you guys some of my favorite tie-dye finds. These are super comfy. And again, just guess where they're from. I just always find comfy clothes at random places. They're from Aeropostale. When was the last time you shopped at Aeropostale? Let me know in the comments down below. Last time I shopped there, maybe like 2 months ago before this all happened. But before that, it was like 7th grade. So it's funny, it was about maybe even like just 2 weeks before everything happened and the lockdown happened. Alex and I were shopping around the mall and I forgot why we checked Aeropostale. I think we passed it and we were just like, when was the last time you've been in there? So we went in there and we had a straight up field day. I'm telling you guys, Aeropostale has really stepped up their game. They had so many like comfy loungewear, comfy t-shirts. I'm telling you, if you haven't been in an Aeropostale lately, don't go into it now because they're closed, but definitely check their website. And I'm telling you, you'll find some good finds. And to make things better, they are so flipping cheap. There was like buy one, get one free. So I got this one. This like blue, really nice tie-dye, and it comes with a cute pocket here. And then I also got this pink one. These are like the most soft, like cotton, most comfy t-shirts. Ooh, I also got this one from Aeropostale and it was like a really nice army green. So I think I got 3 and then Alex got 1 because it was like buy 2, get 2 free and you can mix and match. I'm just gonna play some music and show you how they look on. Alright you guys, so that wraps it up for my super affordable comfy outfits video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed and found some pieces or items that you may want to pick up that will be just so cheap, so affordable, and so versatile. If you guys did happen to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload. I truly love you guys so much, and I pray that you all stay safe. Praying for you guys. I love you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!